So today, just a video a little bit different because I'm going to test out my DJI Mini 4 Pro with the auto tracking on the car right here. I'm gonna see how well DJI can track my car with autofocus feature. Well, I'm gonna drive between some trees. Hopefully Joan can follow me as well, so I'm gonna get it go right now. So I have the RC controller right here, and this is RC2. They have the RC Pro now, which is a very update of this controller right here. Oops. Yep. And then I have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which I'm gonna fly today in this video and show you guys. So my battery, I have about 3 bar on this. I'm gonna just change this battery. The day is kind of overcast, so I might use an ND filter. I like to use ND filter onto my drone lens, so I'm gonna use these ND filter. Go to the side, and these ND filter is from Skyread. I always use these, not sponsored though, but I'm gonna show you guys them. So I might use a ND2. As I said, the day is kind of overcast right now, so let's see how this works out. Now ND filter, because I want to get that shutter speed, double the frame rate type of video. Whenever I do that and the time is bright, the video can sometimes get overexposed, which sometimes might push me to shoot in manual, or sometimes I might shoot in auto. If the time is too bright and I don't want to take down my drone from over the air, I just actually shoot in auto, because I can't bother to actually take it down and change an ND filter if it basically overexposed or something like that. So yes, I'm gonna change this battery. So I'm gonna use one of the plus battery, so I can get a better flight time. Yeah, so I'm all set right there. So I'm gonna go outside right now and fly this bad boy up and let you guys see. Alright, so I'm going to climb up now and let you guys see.
Home point updated.
Alright guys, I have to change the ND filter. It's a bit too bright, so I'm gonna change it. Oh boy, where do I do with those ND filters now? So I'm gonna use a ND32 to make that perfect stop. Where do I put those ND filters now? Alright guys, so I'm all set right now. I'm gonna take a screen record of this as well, so you guys can see on my screen. So I'm gonna go over a little more. So I'm gonna try and track this car, auto tracking, and put it on active tracking, and it's gonna be from behind. So I'm gonna put it up a little bit further. I don't want it to be too close to those light poles. Understand? I think there is perfect. So just gonna hit the road right now and let you guys see. how this actually perform. Put on my seatbelt here. I'm tracking right now. Tracking nicely. I'm not going into any tree as yet. Right now I'm doing about 40 kilo. I'm reaching to some trees right now. So you can see right there, it lost the car and it stops. So I'm gonna see if I can chop up the car right here again. Okay. Unable to track subject function. That's nice. So I'm gonna go somewhere in the clear right here. Try that one more time. Alright, let me take off this. Because I realize, guys, once it go behind the tree, it will lose subject. Alright, so I'm back on track again. Let's see how this actually tracking. So it basically trying to mimic where the car is. And once the car coming from under the tree, you can see right there, it's trying to track it again. So last connection again. So it's basically tracking to see where the car will come out. Sometimes it do misses, as you can see right there. It actually miss, and that's okay. So I'm gonna go right up here again and see if I can get another tracking. Okay, that's perfect right there. Active tracking again. Alright. I think that I want to give it a further distance. Let me see. So I'm gonna go a bit higher. Probably it will track it a bit easier since it is higher in the air. Alright, let's see. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Alright, let's see how this actually works. Right here again. I think it track it a little bit better when it's at a further distance. The wind is strong right there. Right now. drone. Still locking on right there. Nice. Between some trees right now. Let's see how this actually tracks. Hope it doesn't lose any signal. So you can lock onto another car, which is very interesting. Lock onto next car right now. You lock onto a parked car right there. Alright, let's see if we can track it back. Okay. Last signal again. Alright. Track it back faster this time. Active tracking. Alright, I'm gonna put this in my hands so I can see what's going on right here. Alright, so when I'm moving faster, it actually track it a bit better. Going through right now in the community. So whoop. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the tracking, auto tracking on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this auto tracking features of this drone right here. Let me know if it did well in terms of auto tracking. Now I got a drone to catch in here right now, so see you guys in my next video. Let me know if this was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.